Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are fine at home. Dear students, today I am bringing one more important chapter from geography part, that is minerals and power resources. Dear students, under this lesson we are going to discuss few important points. Those points are types of minerals, distribution of minerals, and some other points we are going to discuss. Dear students, the minerals are naturally occurring substances that have a definite chemical composition. Minerals are formed in different types of geological environments under varying conditions. Minerals can be identified on the basis of their physical properties such as color, density, hardness, and chemical property such as solubility. The next main point of this lesson, types of minerals. On the basis of composition, minerals are classified into metallic and non-metallic types. Metallic minerals contain metals in raw form. Metals are hard substances that conduct heat and electricity and have luster or shine. For example, iron ore and bauxite. Metallic minerals are of two types. First one, ferrous, and second one, non-ferrous. Ferrous minerals contain iron ore, manganese, and chromatize. Non-ferrous minerals do not contain iron but may contain some other metals like gold, silver, copper. Non-metallic minerals do not contain metals. For example, limestone, mica, gypsum, coal, and petroleum. Dear students, mining, drilling, and quarrying are the three extraction methods of minerals. Mining is the process of taking out mineral from rocks buried under the earth's surface. The process of mining include two methods. First one, open cast mining and shift mining. Deep wells are bored to take minerals out, and this process is called drilling. In the process of quarrying, minerals that lie near the surface are simply dug out. The last main point of today's class, that is distribution of minerals. Minerals are found in igneous rocks, metamorphic rocks, and sedimentary rocks. Iron ore, nickel, copper minerals are found in igneous and metamorphic rocks. Limestone is found in sedimentary rocks. Dear students, up to here we have discussed many points under the lesson of minerals and power resources. Those important points are types of minerals and distribution of minerals. Dear students, I hope you all are understood this lesson, and after hearing 2 to 3 times you have to write the important points of this today's class. Thank you and bye bye.